My name is Tom E, and I'm just going to cut through the muck and all the hype right now and just ask you a question. Would you like to exploit a legal loophole on a $280 billion site and make $50 a day from it? Because in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I want you to literally forget everything that you know about affiliate marketing and picture this instead. 1, I send you free traffic. 2, because of that traffic, someone clicks on your affiliate link, but they don't buy anything. Sad face, right? No sad face. You know why? Because for the next 24 hours, simply by having clicked on your affiliate link, you get paid a commission for everything else that they spend in their entire life. And I mean everything. From computers to groceries to books to affiliate products, you, my friend, are getting paid a commission for everything that they buy in the next 24 hours. Now picture hundreds of people clicking on that link of yours daily, automatically. That's exactly what this brand new out-of-the-box method does. We're going to get you free traffic, not to try to sell them anything. We don't care if they buy, simply because for the next 24 hours, you're going to get paid for everything that they buy in their whole life. This has never been done by anyone before, and I'm about to let you in on it. As a matter of fact, this loophole works so well that I'm going to make you a promise right now. If you're willing to follow our instructions, it will be impossible for you not to succeed. Not virtually impossible, actually impossible. You have my word for that. Now, my partner Vic and I, we got a crazy idea here. To prove indisputably that this works for anyone, how about we hand it to his 12-year-old daughter, give her instructions, train her on how to do it, and see how she does. Now that's exactly what we did. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go over to my computer, I'm going to jump on Skype, I'm going to have a chat with them, and you get to see the case study and see how well she did.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hello.
Hey, we're good.
Hi.
Hey, Dom.
We're good.
You must be Yana, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So Yana, I understand your dad has shown you how to do his job for yourself, and and you've been doing it for a few days now. Is that right?
Yes.
Was it hard?
No, not at all. It was very easy. It was like copy pasting, and I enjoyed it myself also.
That's good. Do you have like a favorite part of it? Like, what was your favorite part of it?
Money, I think. Money.
I love it. All right. I think it's time we find out exactly how much money you made. I know your dad has recorded your progress and stuff like that. So if it's all right, we're going to take a look at the week that you did and see how you did. Is that all right?
Yeah, sure. So let's share the screen. Okay, so Yana started on 3rd and she set up her campaign on 3rd, and as you can see, we are right inside the Amazon Associate dashboard, and she got her first sale of this was the first one, right? And she made like $68 on 4th, and this was the first one, and on 6th again. Let me show you the other dashboard, which is like the Amazon Indian account, and we have another order on 6th. And so this is an iPhone 11 Pro, which is the most expensive one back in India for $1,500. Can show them the details of the product. And so this is another $50, which should reflect in our account because the product is not shipped yet. But and today is 7th, so till now, are you happy with this, Yana?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So this is it from our side.
That was amazing. Hey, Yana, congratulations on your success. That's really cool. I'm pretty sure you got to get back to school. You can't do this full time, but it was fun to do it with you. So thanks.
Was it fun?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun, and thank you very much.
Guys, there's a reason why we call this method unfair advantage, because it truly is. I've been in this business for 8 years now, and I've never once seen a method where it's literally impossible to fail as long as you follow simple instructions. You just witnessed a 12-year-old girl succeed with this, make $50 a day. It really doesn't matter who does this method. If you're 12, if you're 90 years old, none of it matters because it's simply impossible to fail as long as you are willing to follow our instructions. This is, again, because unlike regular affiliate marketing, we don't care if people click our links and don't buy from us because we're going to make money on them in the next 24 hours regardless. All right, so who is Unfair Advantage for? This is for you if you've had it. You've tried method after method and you just want to see results. And results, per my promise, we will get you. It's also for you if you're just looking for, additional income, or if you want to scale, say that you want to go past $50 a day, you want $200, $300, $400 a day. The method is completely and fully scalable. I also realize that a lot of you guys are struggling extra hard right now. Some of you have lost your jobs. I know I have friends and family who have lost theirs, and so financial security isn't there. And that's another thing that's great about this method. It can give you that financial security. As a matter of fact, when the economy is normal, this method works wonderfully. When the economy struggles, it works even better. And that's what I want for you. Security, financial security. We live in a world that you can't count on it to be there for you. That's just the way it is. Wouldn't it be nice to have an income that you can always count on, no matter what? That's exactly what Unfair Advantage does. All you have to do is buy it, set it up, and simply follow our directions, and you're there. If you can do that, I promise you, you will succeed. That's the reason we're sharing this wonderful method with you. It's $17, and let's be honest, you're going to spend that on something silly in the next few days anyway, so you might as well spend it on something that's actually going to change your life. Now, I know that a lot of you guys are still skeptical, and you should be. That's why we want you to try it risk-free. Give it a go for 30 days. See what you think. If I don't keep my promise, if you don't see the results, send it back and we will be more than happy to refund your money. If you want to get in, it's pretty easy. Simply hit the buy button below. Now, if you're on the fence, I totally get it. I just wish you could be inside my head right now. I wish you could see what we see. If you could see our results and everyone who has done this method, you would get in a heartbeat. Because we know that it's going to change your life, But obviously, I can't force you to see that. I just hope that you'll give it a go. That's all I'm going to say. So I'm going to kick the ball over into your court. It's 100% up to you now. I hope you'll join us. Thank you so much for watching this. I know your time is valuable, and looking forward to seeing you on the inside.